What's up, y'all? Today I am back and I'm finna style this hair a little different for y'all. Excuse me yawning and stuff. I was just waking up and that's why the hair was looking all crazy. This hair is from a company called RIRIHAIR. This is their Brazilian virgin hair. Natural color, 130% density. I got the cap size medium. My lace color is light brown. The hairline was pre-plucked and I got their loose curly lace front wig. So for this wig, I usually wear it curly, but I thought why not do something a little different. So I went ahead and brushed out the curls and curled it with my flat iron, and it looks the bomb. Okay, I like it better curled than like at the actual curly texture, but this curly texture is popping. Okay, so y'all probably will be seeing this wig again, maybe defining the actual curls so you can see the curls that naturally are the pattern. But yeah, that's all the details of this wig. Like I said, all I did was comb out the curls, brush out the curls, and started curling. Only thing with this method, doing it on curly hair, it does create like that super burnt smell on the hair, which is fine. Just spray you some, some leave-in or something on there to make it smell a little better. But other than that, it was lit, it was popping. But if you have a 22-inch head, like the circumference, I would recommend maybe getting a large cap, because I had a medium and my circumference is 22 inches, and the actual wig was 22.5, so it was a little snug. I had to do a little pull and tugging to make it come all the way up to my ear, like where my sideburns is. But other than that, it was fine. And a super big plus from this wig company, I've never received a wig like this. They actually have a removable adjustable strap, not adjustable strap, elastic band. That's what I meant. Removable elastic band. Yeah, it like clips on and off if you want it on. I took it off because, like I said, the wig was already tight, so it was making it worse. But other than that, wig was the bomb. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video watching me transform this hair. Once again, this is RIRIHAIR, and stay tuned to see the end look.
Scarface.